Eventually, my grandparents moved to Upper West Side, right near Inwood Park, another dreary apartment. And there, I was older, I got a slightly better sense of them, and I began to realize that there were really interesting things going on. My grandfather would cruise the neighborhood to the upholstery stores or the used schmata clothing stores, and he would pick up remnants. And out of those, he would make little dolls. Little dolls would go into pockets, kangaroos, elephants, horses, of incredible charm. He would hand-make them all. I mean, he knew how to sew. He designed them all. And he would give them to the family. The little pieces here, he'd stuff them. And they were really imaginative and absolutely charming and full of fun. Now, they began to catch up at the very end of his life, and the department stores wanted them. Yes, I mean, they began to sell, but he never went into an industrial production or anything like that. There were never enough, and then he died. Following my grandfather's death, my grandmother came alive, and she became the life of the party. She became the kind of troubadour and entertainer of the neighborhood. She'd go around, she made friends of all the neighbors, she would sing them songs, she would make up stories, it was really an extraordinary explosion of creative friendliness and exterior, you had the feeling from that she had really been pushed down by her husband a whole life. And lived in his shadow. But that shadow was a very dark shadow because it wasn't like he was an imperious person.